Countryside all day. They are live and direct once again. Yes, people. We have a thing in Jamaica where the foreigners, them, in terms of the Chinese, the Indians, the Mexicans, and even the Arabs, they might take over Jamaica in terms of the economy. And we're not against nation building, you know. But we also want to include Jamaicans in this nation building. There's not enough Jamaicans investing in things that can produce massive products or infrastructure that can change an entire region. We not do it. We not do it, brethren. And if we don't get ourselves in order, we're gonna be under the feet of these people who are doing it. So instead of we always send money down for consumption, make we start sending some money down for production. And what I mean by that is most of the money what we as Jamaicans send back to Jamaica is to send people pitting us, we're pitting them back at school, pay some bills, build a house, and these type of things. Which is nothing wrong with those things. But we have to figure out a way to do more, to become more productive. You understand? And there's technology out there that is available to us to get this thing done. But we not pay attention to it, we not look at it, our mind is not even there. And if me don't bring it to Uno, I'll bring it to people and say, yo, there's a thing called a DAO that lets everything become transparent. So everyone see what's going on and nobody can thief, because I first think people will come out of them out, oh, in my teeth, you know, see him face like in my teeth. I know people are going to run with that. They're going to just destroy and forget everything what I say in terms of what we can use to put our money together to do something, put our money together collectively to do something of some significance. Because if we don't do nothing, remember, I'm going to tell you, brethren, we are going under the feet of these people. In some place right now, they might disrespect we. We're government now going to help, we're government rather help them, so we have to go help ourselves.